Hi, hello, I cannot stay calm because I know this is a lip product from Melt. Now listen, Melt is one of my favorite brands, but this lip mask, I heard it smells like watermelon. Oh! Anyway, so I love that already, but I'm gonna open this really quickly because I am very, very, very picky with my lip masks, okay? I have a specific, like, couple few that I pick from, and that's pretty much it. There's a lot don't pass the test, so I am, please, Melt, I feel like you won't let me down, so let me just try it. First of all, this packaging, it's like studded, which is so cool. Oh yeah, look at that. How neat is that? Okay, so it's called Damage Control. It's Damage Control Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask, Melt Skincare. Does that mean there's gonna be more skincare? Melt, does that mean there's gonna be more skincare? Woo! And it's in a squeezy tube, which actually, this is larger than a normal squeezy tube, I think, which so glad about that because if I do keep this like on my nightstand and I use this daily, I'm probably gonna go through this pretty quickly. However, I like the fact that this is in a squeezy tube so I don't have to like dunk my finger into something and just, I can like be like, you know, put it on at night and not, it's just easier. Oh my God, it's so fresh and new. Yeah. Oh, it smells like juicy watermelon. Oh my God. I'm just gonna put a little on. Ooh, oh, it's not as like, ooh, it kind of feels like jelly. Like it has a, it's a very like delicious kind of texture. It's very tasty feeling. It's not so like thick that you feel like it's like sticking to your lips. It's not sticky at all, which makes me think that I would wear this like during the day. I am very curious to see how this would wear, like how this would stay on my lips at night because I do be rolling around and like literally I need a lipstick or a lipstick. I need a lip mask that's gonna stay on my lips at night. So I will literally be trying this tonight and I'm so excited. But this, like the texture or the packaging too, my words, I don't have the words. I'm so excited because this is something that like I appreciate, but I get a ton of use out of. I love products like that because it's just worth your money. Obviously I got this in PR, or maybe not obviously, but hi Mel, thank you so much for sending this to me. Oh my God. I love you, Melt. Every time I see Melt on, I have a little cry, just like a little mini one sometimes, just a little quick, and then we keep it moving. 2-in-1 lip mask can be used as an evening for deep hydration, leaving your lips healthy and plump in the morning plump. It can be worn all day as a daily lip conditioner and as a prep step before makeup application, providing moisture and instantly repairing dry chapped lips. Okay, Melt, period. Yes, Kibby! Come here. Oh. Oh, I can't kiss you because I have lip mask on. Want to say hello? Hello. Say hello. Oh, you're so cute. It looks like it's like slightly pink, but there's not really a color to it. Like it is very sheer. However, it does look cute. So I like that. I don't know. Melt is just one of my favorites. And this is exciting because I feel like I would get a ton of use out of this. And if this can be like my nighttime lip mask. Ooh, I love the smell. It's not super strong. It definitely, I don't think it lingers. Like even as I'm sitting here, very slight, but very nice. Not like fake watermelon. This is quite nice. Okay. Yay. Love this. Melt. Again, thank you so much. Leave your favorite lip masks in the comments. I would love to know. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!